Abrantie one osofo peni a ye frɛ no Prophet Nigel Gaisie aye dwuma pen. De ye nyanti ya ne se allegation kese o se osofo yi pese oye ne sofo yi bone. Sa na se no bone ben a ekum kwan so. Sa no wama ya aso ate. Eba ne senti ne we na ye tete ne sei. Well, part of it is Ora Nigel Gaisie kwan of first oye ne ministry no. Afi won pese omudi nsem bi pie nti ono so aye wild se na mudi pie dia me dem mudi pie a me ham wo kwan bi so ene me won younger pastor wo studio ha se oba beka story ni na abranti ye frɛ no kakra ana memo wanka so abodin me wakọ aba hide seat show.
Thank you.
Ohun ti sɛn
Yanko bad.
Unya ncha obeka fantima ho aba but enye yi chemetu no akapa but etiefo no nyomu na net fantima za kakra enti Boudin na yehui papa.
Or from Kakra.
Kakra.
You're from Kakra, Isiam.
Kakra.
Kakra, Isiam.
Isiam.
Yeah.
I see. Good. Kakra. My mimi says there. It remember now here.
But you're me a sofa.
I see. I was sorry, ma'am.
But you're Isiam in Quasubia.
So, but first, no, I'm fancy about a month or two.
No more prophetic chapel. Prophet Nigel Gaisie, sorry.
I see.
The one and I'm
okay.
Okay.
Diana, only need Nancy, and as Okoya also for how many months?
Close to 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, close to 5 years.
Wow. And I work with him, Kakra.
Yeah.
And now that's you also for
Unpocho me fuel.
Why?
In some basis, in your big cross. No, mammy, the fuel.
Sir. Shall see no, shall see what quite ben so. Any bedroom in a few days.
But you're me percent me this chassis a free. Assembly AC was last week. Me chair me tear for me fancy for in Obio tear me bia, and you obio all share me bia. Me chair sa uni pakrono. Asama osi, masikoku. Me wo fear last week. Tuesday, anajo.
Inti Nigel Gaisie onimo pa.
Oh, onimo pa. Me wo pictures sa. Me nyine chicha.
Oh, you bebre ni ade.
So I can't lie. Nkofo bebre nyim se. Nkofo bebre nyim se. Me nyine na.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the last week?
Last week mo was sana. Nigel Gaisie, the pastor back we found God's way.
God's way.
God's way.
I see.
Or send him videos. No, yeah, me naked videos. Me naked videos. And see, above Fremen, a friend will force you high quick water, cost a sumner woodino, boss sumner woodino, no waka for obere, and a winning aquata, and there won't about some. Who videos no cry any? It's me call share, would be a WhatsApp no. Name who say. God's way, no, I send a video at a mammy. See, or the mammy, Muhun Mancasa. Me a ding, and was some friend with you. Whoa, can obey,
and all threatening
me the video, no, me sack a video, no, me the conajo, me the conajo, what I'm catching say, for conajo.
Wow.
No caticon. To caticon. My friend Bio. My friend Bio no. And I was sending message any video no. Ekama na down for sofubi.
Eye Abraham also Nigel Gaisie suffer no.
Nigel Gaisie sign video no come on no na down for sofubi.
Na sa na down for suffer no. Ono so your suffer.
Ono so your suffer. But bibi ntimi pese me boni din.
Okay. Holding it in for now.
Me holding it in no. Bibi to me person me what was sending me videos in na kwama no.
I see.
Now what fresh sofo no ka che sofo no say sofo no mfe mi enkasa no to me for na me offer me bra ni office na me gbogu nkotodwe na me pa ne chaw say boni bia me da ye onu na je Gaisie me nkotodwe na me pa chaw na me say me kakra ka che na je say me oye me yonko tipai ejuma na me no bebe ye me ni wo ewie ejuma Minimum ye dwuma bio. Enti member na member pa wo chew ende ene ochina. The person di video no di ye bia. On fait video no fa here.
And also there no.
Me there no. So the man pa each other. God is my witness. Me see the person or the video no or di ye bia. On fait video no on fa kwa here. Baby, every social media be your person look to be on fan am I ready for it? Me person me popular Ghana. To for video no nkoto. I know a for video na nkoto. Na teaching Wednesday. Na Nigel Gaisie small no boys asofo. Some for video no enko Cape Coast. Aye me krom e wo Cape Coast. Yen for video no ko gu mani maasi wo ho. Oh. Madam for Cape Coast na Nigel Gaisie no boys e the video no kwachire munyi na including my senior brother no so aye sofo. No so the video no kwachire no. That day me one away from now wouldn't can ebra uboni. Wouldn't can ebra mugwe. That day me course almost getting to 20 course. More than 20 course in a mini free Cape Coast. The mini free Cape Coast, you know. Na my sister paying my sister mini train sister so frame. Or say ya tia same be na me say ya sembe. Or say you say you see video. Wo video eye se wadeja edaso a e kire se wonyi oba aye sex ewi.
Entina say me hwa not just a video ni dey fi na circulate heavily across friends and family.
Video no aspect do Cape Coast. Se video no tumi aspect do Cape Coast no ko say Nigel de wa senama ni members ni nyina. Oh. Nigel egu movie.
Here comes, I'll ask you the question. The entina way and suffocate. Now, if you'll be taking such steps at you.
The reason why, and the purpose, Nigel Gaisie, Eddie year the mazin in there. On one person, you mean beer, why you was smazy. On you mean be oh yeah, and when you bonny be OD. That is why I on the pie. Nigel, my girlfriend, Sika. Say, me banning Chania on video me nakedness.
On video nakedness, okay. Well, pretty shortly, you bet all the views, any reasons behind Nigel Gaisie, Adrinimu, Intia, or allegedly, or born a girlfriend a pass on your side. But then again, I have to say this. Here we issue the disclaimer that this individual is a man of his own right. Yenimno. But then, or the Nasamwa this platform, we owe it as our social corporate responsibility to help him tell the story. We are here, say, Bema Wakanasem. With TB na Misume TB. So, the Seed Show, Net2 TV, we issue a disclaimer, say, we don't owe the content of their work. However, it is say, Bema Kwine, with me, be Nasem Bia, and said, yes, so Kano, Nane Krasuno, and Yoma 18 year day, at 2 year at the man. In penny foremost, Kweku. A dear pa 90. Ubi a woni osofo Nigel Gaisie etu anamon close to 5 years. Na afidie opeso oye obone wonye ne hwea.
Maso Kweku.
Ye.
Obi baka se adenti na me de Nigel Gaisie besia na me kana asamwa.
Yes.
Obi ampia obi anim guase.
Exactly.
Ine so obi betena hye owe so a enye so obegu nimpa nanim ase. Me ye ma adwen se.
I see. So question na me dey apem won say boni be na odi Nigel Gaisie ntie odo ofasa atenkru we
boni a me ye Nigel Gaisie boni but onu no odi boni
dey na etie for her
Nigel Gaisie e wo girls na o girl bi e wo na sorry ye friend Rita Adams ye friend Rita Adams me boni din o tie mi
or her won so
or hwe me so na Rita Adams of Cape Coast. Enti aso won mu se oyemi nua ba.
Oh, okay.
O kafanti na mesem kafanti. Na nye nyina ye den ye bushia ba.
Mu figwai,
ye figwai. Rita Adams. Oh one o afre me. No ne me kasa ina Nigeria promise me for 2 years so obo worry me.
Hey,
the one worry me that.
But me miss was Nigel no. Ihu no be close to 5 years no. Or year no year.
Nigel wa yila onye ne te.
Wawar.
O wa year and a year te taifa. No way. Na Nigel so te opongo.
No. Osofo no yiri baby na naso ti baby.
Osofo
ti baby.
Over 3 years ago. Over 3 years. Onye ne yere enye den entenada. Over 3 years.
Chirimu ho quickly then mema ba. Okay. Ewraba na dino do. Dentin one say inyim so amenka one say. But inyima.
Masekweku.
Yes.
Mami be a friend I'm born again.
Born again, okay.
Over the last 2 years, I'm a born again by Kasimbi. I'm a Ghana born again by Kasimbi. No, I say, onye na jegezi tu kwany. Eko Gambia. Na wako Gambia no. Malam no wawano. Eke chenwa se.
Oh, chere wako malam bi ho.
Wako malam bi ho. Eke ye nyankum nyama.
Oh, wow.
Eke ye rituals. Ewo Gambia. Na bro wake ye dem rituals no. Malam ne ke chere na jegezi de. For some times, mama onye ne yere enda. Yes. Na asemi yebe chirim na ya chirim sen. Yo wasa na jegezi baka che yen se. Mami bi epese egu n'anim ase. Mami ne se wanwe aduane amano.
Amon na jegezi.
Amon na jegezi.
I see.
Enti maame ne se onu na jegezi in a cow $500.
Wow.
$500 into umbranombu TSS kan. No yeti a say oba ben na wa be yeduane ama no. But not only say na maame ne edinkana ko Vision 1 FM. Or all the evidence or that come na your safo.
Okay.
Na maame no eka na your safo say Nigel isn't eka. Inti na your safo fra Nigel. Abra na your safo fra Nigel no. Nigel do studio one. Na ye ka samne chen. Ye bibie all the evidence ye de kire no no. Nigel yi ni check efi. O yi ni check efi ne bagum. Eno osani check was 2,000 Ghana cedi. Or the man na your safo. Say na your safo emphasika no on fama am born again. Na master kweku any Ghana for wo tie me. So bi abo charge say oduka. Na se wankasa wo hye wo mu. Na se wo tu ho ase say wo ndi nyimpa ne ka. Ade na obe receive check. Na ode mama nyimpa no. Because wankasa wo hye wo mu say wo ndi nyimpa ne ka. There is no way. Those say we chase sika ede ma nyimpa no. But ye one na je be ka che yen say no ono mpenim guase sembia onu nti ino yeden o chase sika no ede ma.
So sign check no.
Na je sign check na your safo a wo Vision 1 e wo dem check no copy the wo up to now when you can see Monday ye be receive check ni na wa.
Wow.
Monday ye the check ni na be ba asi.
And the check no ye de ko bank yi sika na maame no.
Maame no call bank no so ye bounce check no. Na maame no pufuwi na maame no call Parkwesi Mispa e wo Neat FM.
Okay.
Osan de na asam ye den odukwe kokusuo. Na bra maame no call Parkwesi Mispa no. Obiebie nyamasu nyina ye den.
E de chere o.
E de chere Parkwesi Mispa. Parkwesi Mispa e friend Nigel. Nigel ye do be di Parkwesi Mispa team.
Oh, okodi di presenter na tem.
Yes.
Wo kwan ben so wanye na adwuma yi.
Aye na adwuma yi.
Kwan ben so.
Ba woni ma Parkwesi Mispa. O sha sese. Obiebie evidence ye den.
O de chere no. Wow.
Bema na adane yo bai.
Hey.
Bema na ye den.
Adane oba.
Adane yo bai.
Eno na chese wan na adane oba. Mispa na adane oba.
Bema Nigel Gaisie na adane oba no.
They not demonstrate you.
Say ye odidi parkway me starting. It's a parkway so a bold. And he have the evidence. Because woman show bibia then. It is a woman show bibia then. Actually, afidie. I saw ye then. Ubra onwasi. Masukuku. Na me pese me trauma Ghana for say. Sa wo se wo ni maame ni ntwa na mo bia. Adan na maame no board charge. Sa wo de ne car wo betua. Okay, masukuku. Mitiwe. Sa wo se me kweku ataka kramitai. Wo se wo sika wo me want wo ba abaji. Na se me hwe me mu na se mu se wo sika bi animu a. I'll tell you say bia wo pe bia afa me kwakọ. Enti wo bom charge na me de me sa hye me botom. Na me yi sky den amano. Ghana for nje agi sa asem wi. Me throw challenge me da ma Ghana for. Say Ghana for nche nje agi sa asem wi. Onu cha eni nyina be si se maame no eka se wokọ maame ne ka se wokọ Gambia no malam ne ka che ne se malam ne ka che ne se mama onye ne yere enda mama onye ne yere yeden enda Ghana funti o
Adin
nti Nigel Gaisie not taifa no say taifa or not no on pay. It's almost four bedrooms. Or so on pay. All because what question comes say and this buwini in 10 people for tatan. It's a lie.
because because asem we.
Obekasa asem we.
Na o purchases asan obeka na enye ne.
Ayen tro no krabia anim. Oyamba na no person do kofi o but ne ye wo woni nti otum famba anko.
E wo fie no no ye.
E fie no timu no a. Mba no person do kofi o but otum famba no kofi o.
Okay.
Otum mi enfamba no kofi o. Enti joy yan say or show free tie for no betina asori dem wo.
Aso ho no.
Aso dem wo myself no wana.
Na edan wo ho. E wa so dan nim sa.
Aso dan no office.
How?
Na ya to mattress. In order so. Office wo.
Ah, we hu mattress no.
Me hu mattress no. Mattress ni me hu mattress ni do. Mattress ni do sisi ya.
Ye ka say.
Je sure mattress no call one new site wo.
New site wo. Okay, in the mattress no office no or the day.
Because
Obo say bia obo mpaye yo all night no me ade e wo empaso ene me ade.
say office one I want to see oti. Office one you myself one. Office one I want oti. On coffee or one oti. Ne yere sumba ne chan. Ne yere ni access I want in chan. Na mpese me throw challenge Emma Ghana for be say Ghana for say. We are so pain. You claim yourself as a nation prophet. Would the nimpa almost 1,000 ano. But we in access into Mbaunche. I didn't know we in access in Mbaunche. I didn't know we in to me for winding comma just 2 minutes impo.
Hey,
just 2 minutes to go in to me for winding comma. I didn't.
Kakra, interview office one chrim DNA a course.
It's your office one. I want on your oba. Or you know.
Sebi or person of foul bar. And of funny wife. No.
Me to challenge man. Me, I have recordings on my phone.
You better recordings. The person me when say or hona be a subset radio or person on any wife, edim kutahua, or hona or yes.
The wife be.
But who can so honor
I know about me in a year. On to me in the
office one, why no room disagron?
Niggas on your name, prophone when you want your door office.
What do we know who bizarre?
Oh, Mianca man pegger mano.
Wow.
Mianca sabiti.
What for girls? A man Nigel Gaisie.
Nadia simi boa me deno on for kushia, any shinap, on for Bible, on for oil and count. No yen fancy board, ne yan domi.
That's why oil suffer.
Who's in Naja?
Oil suffer.
Naja me can ask me. ɔse me makaka no wasɛm akyerɛ Rita Adams nti manka ne yie nti Nigel yi n'atadeɛ adi no tum twu fam ɛbɔ mu dua.
You telling me?
I tell you.
Nigel
asɛm na meka kyerɛ
Prophet Nigel
Gaisie a wahyɛ nkɔm sɛ eyi NDC bo wi nipa we
yɛbɛba ne nkɔmhyɛ no so but so sa office ne deɛ or the one I to say like a sex pool
office one day I want ɔwe mmaa no so ɔnkɔ hotel ɔnkɔ fie nti office one I want ɔwe mmaa no
I see.
Yes.
Kakra, nti wobetimi abɛ witness to sabe emma bi ono mo didi nkuta ho no me ade me I really want to get the import of it properly.
Emma why we want office?
Yes.
Uncountable.
Sabe ono ma deda.
Uncountable.
Ebi aso no mu ma anase ma
aso ma na wo aso no mu na nya nse mba bi o outside o. Enye say imba wo outside imba sabi wo na aso mu otete won say daachi bi say nyankopon fi suru ba odun obokọ heaven samba na na owe won
adenti no no ati esi enwama a otetom do ma ko osra him no oye omobone nsa wo yourself nti na ne wo ho why import ben na wo ma man ti oyesa
ense otu kwankọ Gambia no according to nipa no oze no krai no anyame na America according to nipa no oken enti me hwe nipa no num asam no oken
me born again
me born again me hwe ne num asam no oken no na me hwe ne point na obobo so no na sam de hwe no ankasa so ne ndi ya just the woman no ka no ba kokrampo ni mu a aye ntro
ni na aye no kre
ni nya aye no kore
I see na che say ye ka osofo Nigeria na aye no ho say o de aso ne be bata ho nanso enya asofudie na obezodi se me tire wo kana see ya
anya asofudie so bia okọ na aja sorry na so hye na adwu mu say na aja tetene ma na akọ heaven na onto na adwu.
Great question maybe say Kakra is about when did you realize that Nigel professes things of God but he's not a man of God? What time ben obi hu say papa onye nyankopon nipa one ne nam 5 years ni na were you studying him well?
Yes me nye nam no Mr. Dino since dam I'm born again no obaka na asam no ena me hia se say me monitor no ne nyame bia
okay
oh yeah but me monitor wa me mo obi ehun say me monitor me nyu ba bibia so ba me ma obi ehun say me monitor e de na esi ye masakweku Nigel etumi ebe yo all nighter oni oba be dance na wa all night
oni oba no ho be odno be fa oba
yes
sex
obey sex
why reason is in the internet so yes
me na me pe ma na ma no
into who witness it times are
oh me deno oso e still me deno ono na je me deno apia onfa ne oil no onfa ne sword na odidi nyam odi ye nyamafo no onfa ne sword no eno kan che me say me mpe oba ma na da
all night I was obey or didn't ho ka oba no ubetimi am one example a say this particular day Nigel o for oba sa other way and sana obey sa all night I just want one
Mazokwegu. Question where there. Who be so question where I catch you say uncountable. Who be so question where me you are so uncountable. One man kasa me side of it. In bar me producing a man. It's more than 6 to 7 girls. Me ma quite say girls ni be know who says how about who not nearby without showing the girls' pictures. Okay. Echa na no ti alaji no.
The friend say Echa. Okay.
Echa na no ti alaji no. Prophet Nigel, me send audio. Emma wo girlfriend Rita Adams. Say girl ne say wo nyina ya abortion. 2 times.
What?
I dare you. Video audio no. Bring the audio out. Audio no. Bring the audio out.
A channel essay Nigel Gaisie na abortion twice.
Why na abortion twice?
Enti okay, young next girl as well. Wait me baby 2 or 3 if you like. Let me be our next question.
The girl back. You know sha so fio na.
Girl back on na sha so fio.
Your friend na akushi.
Na akushi.
On
wa so fio.
On nya aso na demonstrator.
Wow.
Ono no otete na je yere.
Oh.
Ono na watna awo no so say. Kim.
Hey.
Me manatin girl hu ntone da. When you tia Christoni a wo ba sorry. Christoni o se wo ba sorry abosum nyame. Wo ba ya. Wo ba je osof mami ku. Wo ma osof mami na ni nje ba akokrampo.
O sha so fi ho no.
O sha so fi ho no. Ono no nu aduane ma na agye mani di.
Great. Third girl, Ubekai Nidin. Third one.
Your friend Mimi.
Mimi.
Yeah. Na Mimi funu wo 2.
Wow.
Ba ko ye adwuma wa Accra Mall.
Mimi.
Yeah.
Oh, you adwuma Accra Mall.
Ayo adwuma Accra Mall.
I see.
Fair lady. I a fair lady. No ho fe pa.
I see.
A fair lady. Mbani there. I just say mbani there.
Me ma okwa bebu budi pa.
Oh, it didn't there uncountable.
Okay.
Once upon a time. Now, Ret Adams. Eka chem say. Ne mami bankran. E babies miti. Nigel. Enyi ono Ret Adams. Na ne mami ben no. Ne komo yin say. O say Ret Adams war. Na adentina.
On
worry. And the prophet catch and say, on che be about worrying. No, be inyama be no eden. Usun kon. The moon come when your crowd be, I mean, let me know you. Let me know be. Are you Ret Adams? No woman man there. Me one Ret Adams are friend me. Or see there, na be me bu. On person about trade relationship in the I'm catching say, me new ba. As I with Jay, obi kunechi di. No wa ba sorry a one kasa wo bom pai say, Unyakupon untumbo. No sunya bemo ya wa wudia na fanitena. Na Nigeria wu edi nechiri. Onya do be waro. Nigeria niggas buburja. Ewo asori a. Na akoshi onye ne twempana. Mimi onye ne twempana. Mimi Accra Mall onye ne twempana. Lawyer yo ba na asori we je onye ne twempana.
A lawyer.
Oh,
lawyer
Nigel.
Oba.
Nigel.
But lawyer na more.
Oh, minko.
But Oba. Or that's a lawyer.
Oguso ya lawyer. Me dia mimbo obi adi. Including small girl cry no ko UCC. Small girl ko UCC your friend Mami Ama. Mami Ama ne mami mo brohufu. Ne papa so sebi oyare a odefi. Ne mami ye bebo hu se bo mebe. Mo nko school. Nti wo bo akwala ne nkakakra. Ewo ne didie mu. So onko UCC ni wi. Akwala yi mo kwan na obefi a. Wa fra akwala yi akwahye office. Sa akwala no entwetwe wo be mama wo. Asema American, that's some penny for me, JJ, I saw na a witness.
I saw him penny for a witness.
I saw penny for
of said Gaisie.
Efa 19 years girl. 19 years girl. I don't go office. Says Sebi. Akwalani a virgin on whom bear mother. Sakwalani and chicken and bear mamma. Nigel Gaisie ni ababa wo bi ekro Lebadi Beach anaju 11 o'clock. Onye na assistant pastor aye friend go sui. Sa asem ya me call na assistant pastor go sui na no bo ma mende. Me de na me ni obi mo okro. Me de na me ni obi na me ye kro yu. Na assistant pastor go sui no ka chem say what the ababa wo bi aye friend Regina. Edu call Madina. Edu call a body beach anajo 11 o'clock. No what do one na na aje catch again say on twetwe ne be man.
Beach ho.
Beach wo. Me bisa again so can the same thing to not just say ma go through no ye na assistant no all can no kori bi ale na ntro bi anye den enyim.
Okay, great. Afi nim masem
mamba reta ni die no so
bra reta no so.
Enti reta na asem ya American ena me catch reta say reta men yesa na obi yire obi kunu die wodi bi kudi kakra na watchon na uko baby but men fe nwibiri enye den enje obi no kun because asofia wo ba asore wo ena obi anyim say among us no yenyim say woni na age twempana enti sa na age gya ne yere ne so oba ware wa ebe confusion nobody will respect you na me sani audio sa Nigel any a chan oh yeah a girlfriend onye no so hihyo onye na atwempena emu ye den sa girl man na me pay man no
say chan one of
say chan man na me pay man no
I see enti reta ho no
enti reta wono na me sani audio ni man say hey reta come on tie insama okoso a say ukun ni sa na ete enti twon firi na reta de me kokoma na age say me see ono na age enworo ono reta nti on yeden onja no mase kweku mamani hu nyina ni say me makaka che reta say na age Gaisie lo wa no
oh nti fi wudi esisi dua entokwa na age Gaisie no wo
na age Gaisie nimu wo asasi so a na age Gaisie tatame na age Gaisie nda obokumi ade chobe sem life ade chobe say eni nyina ejina reta ya so say reta makaka say na age Gaisie lo one enti na age Gaisie Ephraim office
the seat ensem no edoso yi papa na openi bi person ye reaction bi efa enkomo ayedi openi so kire say nsem bi o ma say ye ma oyi ano na o church as far as kakra and I say yes kakra okoye osofo e was asori mu enkomo ni yedi e wa ha ma ye nko ne ani openi eni nkomo na yemisa ne say enchiremu be na opese de be ka enkomo ho. Good evening sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, opening a patro wapo to saying. Great. First of all, my minister said, Opesa Ubudi, and our person who call anonymous, say, Yam with me.
Oh, me movie.
What's it?
Me movie in patro.
Okay. All right, Matthias said, Afi and Chrimube and our person or the back cancer me.
Well, and who said, Kakra, Miniaketua, but who said, oh, Kasa. In fact, minimum Kakra, the minimum Kakra, or any power yet, we are in your Pecasa. The Mihuna said the same as the new maybe Shen or something, then you have Brea walk Kasa, because you got Kasa walk Kasa. So hardship like this before. Mekoto Kakra, a sorry no. Na enyo no nko asofo nkuma no omo doso e wa sorry no na me kwa sorry no no the company for no ho na wo mu an kola yi de nsemo breme asepeni but me yenipa bi a me mu
nti openi what's menka
peton kapa
yeah nti metimi aka say na wo ye elder e wa sorry no mu wosum okay, all right.
Enti niti because mbajo.
Kasa.
Enti wo mu a sofo nkuma yi de nsemba. But we penny a anya se bia na wo sori a uti a no abua aten immediately. But nsemu akakra ka wo ha ni nyina no. Me say it's about telling you because first never me need but actually no but did who say the almost coming na no correct the mo trying to be na se mo de be na no correct na e ya ho me tese say ye kwa sorry se ye kosumu nyankopon ade a e fe ni se oye young we two who see what obenyame adwuma na abaye and there are so many young guys omunamo a ndwuma omo ye no ensem fata and this will be to who see as a young guy who was onyame adwuma no be ya efe me the ade a me fe wi aspa no but me hu say baby ana e kono na e chia kobone sempanifo yete ho ni e ya wa sorry dem ni e kan panimu so obeba na o shefie na o de ma dansa no aba I mean me and some way no money somewhere so just a sorry ubetina obi di me ho asama ko sei I'm afraid to say ubetia na ya kukuru sika na ya komani fa na bribe said the be o kana no atum na sorry na ya no ye betia sika na nyoma ya de ya no dia en selfata in fact akola na so wo kana nyina no no correct bibie ni hodo ma me hu say yi
enti
no correct
openi metimi bisa o say tama okay sisi amene o ka say oda so ye elder e wa so no na we free
oh me free ho friends a o mu nyo be free ho
I see
me free ho no mo ntia no mo hu na be ntia me free ho but me free ho because me hu say dia na e ko so no na nye that week na me free ho ye elders be fight obi ejai within a week
I see enti usi studio say before I will be free on prior to say will be free no eniama nsem bi say no ne ade bebre eba monim motena so na munya results ben
enya asem ketwa nsem eba yanim bebre ya hometisem sometimes you be committee kura no a elders ni bitimi sipi se asem we me de beba bontene eba no saa mitimi dudu o makoma saa te mesremo mamu pasem se mamu ntumo bo asem yehwehwe mu ansa nti eba no saa no mo yeso mbeba no me free ho se meeting kura me international meeting to man international me na me do mo anu nti ma o mo nye meeting no na meeting na gu onim telefone mi zo bisa telefone yo ka kire because some man na I had that time oh me pen say obi ye na djuma anyanyame adwuma na mese no awurade mpengu se me gina ba bi blackmail obi a enye no kore onyankopon ma agrada kore nyansim tu
great elder afima me bisa o say ne nkomo a na ohihye no ne ade no ebi wo mu nso a eba monim efa nkomo a because ono na or more particularly known in the political prophecies as we be winning we be say what it is an commission bi na eno so mo transfer aseme na pi free
oh anu di oka pa ndi mi ba mi tunufo mi eni pa bi a mi tare ni di nkomo pa anu o respect me o fa mi sene papa mi ka say o ti a woni me o ti me ni a woni me mi nka fe mbone fa me ho mi no kra na me ka because ade a waka wo ba ya no matunufo no ma che ne say aya na wo ya sorry aye di nyame e kire na ye de ede nkwaje bebe ho maso na ja politics no de ye hia say na wo kan na say nipa na wo ya ma no na wo ka kire no a eye bitunufo de bia wo ye sa wo the tension attention no say nye wo nkonso na ba wo so e ba wo ne wa sorry mbeso nyina because we biti say ya Ghana politics no wo do who come through much a unya problem bitunufo de bia to be kan okra bitunufo de bia we go you be a kan ne tena se din kobo bitimi ne tena se din kobo 3 4 5 hours bitunufo de bia
yes elder me bisa a quick question na me ma wonko we are aware say time na wa sorry no na yes of mame a o wa sorry no me nka say ba peni a ono ye mame hwa sorry so ye ne ho kafo no na enye one no nete saa se me wote na de na wonim fa ho
I mean say na yere te type ana ono so te opunguru islegon opposite one so we have opunguru say areta my friend saying saka car delay the chiho ho baby
okay location okay mama all right location okay abakwa semben na mpinifo amwa so including yourself munim fasa one ne yere no
ye betete me tena ho affected
okay
na me hu nneɛma a ɛkɔ so no na me gyae.
Okay.
Ba na me te sɛ ɔte ha. No me ba no mo me hu sɛ no ɔte oponguro hɔ. But na me hu no mo ɛwɔ asɔre fie hɔ.
I see.
But me te sɛ ɔne nipa so esi wɔ hɔ, ɔne nipa wɔ hɔ. The yere problem sometimes kura no tension timi si asɔre hɔ. Na ja woda dɔm anu nti no na ya hwɛ ne ya ka ho asɛm na bibi ato abrase. Tension timi si hɔ ɛfa ɛmaa ne bi ne ne yere. Na ya ka ho asɛm na ya yɛ na ɛyɛ na.
Enti wosi su dua sɛ wo a me no wo ka say many times and a couple of times and most solve personal issues that involve on a Prophet Nigel Gaisie any emma bi num ne yere ne ade wosi su dua sa
privately no uka me nankasa say no me ni din komo uka osinya no kure microphone na de to me su na say na me tu no fo ana emma no so bi wa sori do mo ni ade no so no yitimi ni bi no kasa se om ti bi anya no kure but e ade ana e koso
okay
nkola ni debate bia every day om debate bia da wo se pani asam ka no wo ka wodi nyansa kwan ni na de ni kasa kire ana ade e kire no but utu nipa no fo a no ntie na de okoso ano de ko de na ma ye daye no because enya mofra eni abetra asori bu si ye besu nyankopon na abofra keto ya me first born kra ene ne ya yepe ebe take this eyi na papa aya na etan me personally there me I don't think na me jaye.
All right.
Me jam se nipa me do mo ko nyina so me do mo nyina akọ me mo gyina jaye.
I see.
Just me kwan so mo adi mechi.
I see.
At least me ni nipa be 6-7.
I see.
Me ko no o mo nyina adi mechi ni me ko ye. O mo nyina jaye.
I see. Elder, you better was a pa na wadrin show the by you was was I say. Okay. Now Kakra. Papa you can say one money din but obekai tie the voice do you recall say no was so num
me can pa me can voice no
so
minimo bi
I see
minimo but me mboni din
all right now enti rita no ho no oho na ekotwetwe nsansemi na ma
rita ni shoe no na ekotwetwe nsam nyina ndam da betena seat we so
I see
bi obi atwa ma me say me first spiritual authority in Yeduma.
Obisi for spiritual authority
in Fan Yeduma.
I say in a sense, I can't say we are saying.
Nimpano onyim Bible. No, not Bible, I say.
But you're trying to what in us saying.
Oh, the trend, me say Nimpano, not Jumiaha. Not general. Nimpano, Trema, Musa, not general. A general, and we are.
I see.
So, who's any pana will train? So, oba ba and I say oba be ma wa ware ne yero kwa asori ne so sofo no chini no so di no onye ne da abe oya and abe ode
great afi intino woni rita ho no di anamon ena Gaisie start say o2 efa wo ho safi do person odo wo shetem kro because we hu nie maybe Rita me seni audio no. Emma Rita no. Te Rita nim say man kasa ama ne favor no. Okay.
Te sadia adem ko na ajo.
All right.
No adem ko na ajo. To adem ko na ajo no. Me wo fie ina na ajo sman the boys asofo se won be frame me. Sa time no kana me won fa me. Osuma so won be frame me na membra. I'm so okay. Na me di boys na echi. Me for.
Unim boys ni na.
Me nyim na so na sofo onwona.
I see.
Me di mo echi na ye.
And I was na we sofo wo ho.
Sana oye prantina. Na wa pranti. Proti bia wa proti a me de. Me di mo hwe, me ti mu fa.
Nja sofo ne ba wudi o machi.
Me di mo echi na ye koy. Ti me ko wura so de mu wan. Na wo lock aso.
I saw them the same church here.
The same church, prophetic church. Na je get aso na make.
I see.
Me boru aso de mu ope. Na ye two pon.
Hey. Na nipa ho.
You cross all the doors are our solfio. And I want them call office. yɛde me call office pɛ na yɛ lock office pon no so na me sika no say hey asama to me ne na Nigel Gaisie say obo audio no
obo audio audio ben
audio na oni oba kokko se abortion ne girl no aka che me aka kira
Rita no sa girl ne friend say
Rita Adams
okay David no ne koya abortion
ye friend e cha
ana
me kasa no nyim asema American audio no o Nigel osisi amekese
okay
audio no Nigel so Nigel say me boa na so show a prophet na so ginu hudia omeyen do me
I see and there and then almost started some body no actually
obo edu na me so a man voice me ndi na me say man voice me ana me de ma reta because who deceive girl me kasa pe masum hey Monday me de atare a me share kwai no me de ba na me wi free Monday me de attend baba ase
atare na wo share that day
atare me share that day ni na je titi ate no mu nyina mu
oh
me nika me share nya ya titi mu e ka me boxes
what
na me dwane ko share ma me bi shop e wo do me wo
eza nya ho didi wo dem ho
hey man fam hu enti tie e opopo masum hey what potam we Jimmy for we say
Nigel Gaisie
because onye ne boys ni go ntimi to me ya na metumi aye wa lock doors ni nya so ohien ba a me tu kwan ye fi KiII na ma ba akra se me be pesika na me de akomi krom hwe amenhia sama atome e wa akwantu na je bomia mamanum nya afifiri mboja ewie na je for oil baku 7
edian oil no
olive oil anu oyusu sabosu
then
sabosu oil
I see
offer sabosu oil baku 7 na je dodomeme ode podomeme ode ankobra ode domeme ode river pra ode domeme ode nsuo wo Ghana ha nyina bomudia
ewo honum in presence of nasofo
nketuo ni nyina agina ho na obi le domeme a nasofo nketuo ne se membu nkotodwe na mempacha how dare you obi domeme membu nkotodwe na mempacha how come ode iwiem oso ode wiemu edomeme ode wiemu frama edomeme ode asasimu nyama ode dumi last minute kura die minute na je yi no top no titim
ono
natade osi otiti atenu mu atenu otitimu no saa na me maye he me catch your plane enya wunsem na me hu nyame o enya wunsem na me hu nyame me fi KiII ba na me nyim nyame de dada me catch your plane you are powerless
really otete natare
ewie no oyi ne tra wo hye no ode ne to sofo ode ne to edi twifom Ghana fo samimi kasa asem we na so otiwa na so wo jejemia na chese wan kase wunyim scriptures na chese bible no wonte ase sofo a we sofo pen na so wunyi wa kwala kwampo nya misunderstanding na as I say we yi watade na wodo wotu atwifom na je ye naked edi no tun edi twifom a odi odomame me why inimpa se asama meka no eye no kwantro bia anim we know yourself wo kacha ga no ofe na cha na onyini kaya abortion wo kacha ne se mama ga ne nka nkyere me you told the girl nkomo bia woni ga ni bedi bia ga ne ka kyere me it is said makasa asem no kwampo ache wa wo de from one chambers na yen settle issue because we misa wa call ade wutumi ni menye game bebre ento de atimase Nigel eyi natade edunu tun twufom sebi obi oye konfunyi kwampo luntumi yesa ade ewu obi oye malam entumi ye saade we saade we mi sa payifo ena ye sa nyama etete sa but mi nim se obi oye prophet a o kremi no hu se onyame aba me nkyɛn abeka kyerɛ me se oyi na obeye omampanyi onyame ba me nkyɛn abeka kyerɛ se oyi na obeye te mi nim se sa prophet we obetumi aye sa
enti that day no hu za no we are shock
me won't do me because
and was it the first time I who be bisa
it's the first time in my life me who be da say me na so me nim so for penny Bishop Tony Edu say me nyene nanto ye but me hu say why say anyama we bi da
see enti then they see wo dan mo omu bi o ma ifi wo koye
enti wo ye sa no ina echi na agye mam 9 months say I will kill you.
Hey, all the way to Tosoma.
All the way to Tosoma, me. Or so, me kum. Me more 9 months. So 9 months no so. Nese win wa. Me, Nigel, me the Bible but two fum. Me this off of you hair. I dare you. 9 months na keno. Only the me junior. 9 months na keno. Only the me junior.
June where you can say.
June where you can say ya.
Bosuming crown.
Do some croya ani June where.
No show so be.
On no say me woo.
Okay.
When what the Bible but two from wo. O Bible no the better from.
All right. Now the question I will ask you or can't ask me no. Sisi ya can say. Enyama mienu. Why do you was there or so be no physically, spiritually. Emunia na wujidi.
Me the physical di.
Say obetumi kun physically.
Physically, na je botum abopai so obi mbokum because me so to me yes
I see. Spiritually, the unim so to me.
Oh, spiritually, the na je powerless.
I see.
Me come and out say spiritually. Na je wo ye powerless ta. En ka born again. Abaka or delegation aboto so won to me anka hwe ankyere no.
Great. Now, my missile question it just passed through my mind. I have to ask you quickly. Ata, Nigel Gaisie on one or shame come say ebony ebewu a
on signing pano na me kan wan
I see. Okay. Ye beba nin commission so no ne ade ne kwan of us or share political prophecies ni ade.
Enti me ka sem we masokweku me ka sem we man kan sin wi. To obo mi na me ko ofie no. Me case you na Monday.
Yeah.
Monday the me de bana serious with evidence with photos. Na me de ba kana fu munti. Ne sofo aye fa sofo go sui.
Wo God's way.
God's way no do anadwo a wo na menyu wutu. Wo na menyu wutu. God's way from yanko Cape Coast.
No, wait. Oga say me nu tu a kasa we
oh, na say menu God's way do anadwo anya na ye operation no.
Oh.
Operations ni anya na ye Monday na maba be kire mu a.
More special operations are more.
Oh yeah, me this year say Monday na me kire mu. Wow. Monday be kire mu a. Wo God's way. What I mean your operation. Wo God's way. Wo God's way. Wo ka kire madam for Cape Coast. Say me fambo wash. Now I ready.
Okay, so for be wash so no on be so much.
Oh, I see me fan wash. No wo TV station. Every day be as what radio show. Enti me fambo wash no no nim kasese na me.
I see.
Yes, me da wash. Me dey a wash. Wie no. Wo bu me wie no. Enna sofo Nigel. Nigel Gaisie asema making. Oji me phone okura me. Me phone okura me oji me phone e break me phone. E seize me
mobile phone akuta no.
Me mobile phone na me kura me dey me course. Sofo Nigel onyima asema making. Ontu me kan cham say asema making ya yon drop. Oji me phone e break me phone. Oji memory card no film. Na Ghana phone bi say interest bank in na Nigel Gaisie wo me phone.
Nti abu we a nti ye wie nya.
So what bu me wie a ka me say ye wie. What kesi me wie a me say nka ye wie. What tete material me wie a me say nka me wie. Jam na me ye den me nkom fie. Se wan hye bone an ye hwe a papa an ye hwe. Nigel Gaisie gi me phone okura me. E break phone e yi me memory card e wo phone no e seize. Memory card no wo Nigel Gaisie wo sisi a me kase. Na Ghana fo me bisa there bisa Nigel Gaisie there abedinti na oji me phone no Monday maba abechirem.
Sure.
The reason why.
Great.